and thank you for choosing a RepairPricer preferred inspector partner for your home inspection needs today. RepairPricer is a third-party service that provides repair estimates for free based on your client's home inspection report. About 20 minutes after the inspection is completed, you'll receive an email with a link that takes you to a page similar to this one. It will have an issue summary page that outlines the top 5 repair categories identified in the inspection report. It shows below here. If you scroll down, you'll also see a range pricing, which is our estimate range for how much we think it will cost to fix the house on an initial review. If you'd like to punctuate that initial review with a full report, you can click the Order Full Report Now button, and it will take you to the next page. Here, you can select whether you want to pick and choose what type of report you get, meaning you choose the defects in the report that you want priced out, and you can type them here into the special instructions. Or you can do the summary report, meaning we process all the items in the home inspection summary page. Or you can do a full report, which takes every single line item inside the home inspection report and attempts to provide an estimate for each of those. Once you've selected your type, click Save and Continue, and you'll be brought to the add-ons page. All of these add-ons are completely optional. You can add a pool inspection, you can rush upgrade, which means instead of 24 hours, it'll come back in 6 hours or less, or a home hazard report, which includes nationwide search of millions of property records to produce this easy to understand property report. If you choose none of these, you can click Save and Continue, and then it takes you to your payment page, which if you selected no add-ons, should be $0. From here, you click Complete Order, and once you complete your order, you'll be taken to a confirmation page, as well as you will receive an email letting you know that your order has been placed.